Rahim. This is a question of June 2009. Okay, and June 2009, and the question number in is number six. Question number six in the paper. Okay, in this worksheet 62 number, what a question we have mass A and B. Sorry, he given us this distance 0.36 meters height and B release from start. It means starting velocity 0. So starting velocity 0 and S is 0.36 meters. And what he mentions further that it takes to reach zero point 0.6 seconds to reach the ground. So time taken by it is zero point 0.6 seconds. And what is ultimate target? We have to find out the acceleration. So A is equal to question mark. And formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is 0.36 meters, u0 given by him, and half a zero point 0.6 square. And when zero point 0.6 square is 0.36 goes down, this cancel out. I mean short story cancel out like this. Okay, I get 1 equals to half a. And finally I get a acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So first part is done. So let's go for the part number 2. Part number 2 is asking for that, let's say mass of A is 0.45 and find attention A is falling. So it means our attention is towards A only. 0.45 mass into 10, it means 4.5 newtons. Tension towards pulley and always equals to each other. So it is A is falling downwards and B is going upwards. So naturally, it's very clear because A is falling downwards. So this way, this weight is bigger, tension is smaller. This force bigger. So I can say here net force is equals to MA. And this will come bigger force. So 4.5 minus tension equals to MA. Mass is given 0.45 because this weight come okay, and acceleration we got 2 from the previous part. So I think very clear. So tension will come here and this will go there. So it means this 4.5 will go there. I mean to say 4.5. 4.5. And what about this? Multiply it become 0.9. 0.9 subtract equal to tension. And finally, I get tension value is, if you subtract, it gives us 3.6 newtons. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe this point is also clear. So let's go for third part. Third part is 10, okay, mass of B is unknown. So if we talk about B mass, students, so let's talk about B. Let's say B is M. If this mass is a 10, so what is weight component 10M? So I think we can make the same formula, net force equal MA on B particle. So net force is equal to MA. Because B is going upwards, so tension, this force bigger, this force is smaller. So tension minus 10M equal to mass remain again M. Acceleration we know 2. So 10M goes there and 2M already present. I got tension and tension is 3.6 we know already. So 3.6 equal to 12M. 12 divides and we get a 12 threes are 36. So that is why 0.3 is our answer. So mass is coming from here. Mass of B particle is 0.3 kilograms. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this part is also clear. Let's go towards the fourth part. And fourth part is he's saying maximum height above the floor reached by B. So actually A is falling downwards, B is going upwards. First of all, tell you how much B will come downwards is a naturally clear 0.36, and B will go move upward. How much? Same distance, because for your knowledge, time they take same time to travel. What is speed? This same speed is here. What is the time for the whole journey? Time is remain same, distance remains same. Okay, because they are connected. But as it will move, it will hit the ground, so it will stop here because hit the ground. But this B will not stop. It will go slightly up, and this motion is called motion due to inertia. Okay, so this is the most important thing which we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So we have to check it how we can find. But before I start, this very important thing, what is the velocity at this moment? Here, same velocity at this moment, and this velocity is same. Okay, these two velocities always same. Reason, what's it is moving downward, same is moving upward. Same speed, same time, same distance, same time. Okay, and same distance also. Okay, and very interesting. This last velocity of this motion will become starting velocity of this motion. So this u and this v same. Or short story, this u and this v is same. It means they are same as well. But ultimately stop on the it will stop on the peak, so loss velocity is zero. But as particle A will hit, so no tension in the string anymore. So this will behave as a free fall particle. So gravity is here is coming -10 because it's traveling upwards. So I think we have, and what is my ultimate target? My ultimate target is to get this s distance. This distance is my target. And this is how much this distance, 0.36 meters. So 0.36, 0.36, and plus this distance. I call this as a S1. So it means S1 is missing. So I think data is very, very clear now. So first of all, job number one for a particle, I will find the velocity. If I don't have this velocity, it means I don't have this velocity. It means I don't have this U. So it means this velocity is very important. So let's title for a particle, and I have data given already here. Only I think I have to find what? Find velocity. So I use same data. Okay, I just copy paste this whole data. Okay, this data is required. I'm writing here, and I'm writing here for A. So what is the formula? Because V equal to U plus AT. There's a easy formula. Although we can use other one also. U is 0, A is negative. Sorry, A is 2 because I just found before, and time is 0.6. So velocity is coming 1.2 meter per second. So it means now I can say that for B, motion due to inertia. Okay. Now, as I said before, that what is final velocity v here, same final velocity v here, and the same velocity u here. So I think data is very clear now. So this data I will use. Okay. La final velocity 0, gravity -10, u is a 1.2, and that's it. So I'm writing here u is 1.2 because this velocity and this velocity same. On the peak velocity 0, and this gravity is -10, and s1 is my target. So I'm finding it now here finally. Okay, all right. So what is the way? S is equal to, or I can say 2as equal to v squared minus u squared. And a is what? -10. S is my target. Last velocity 0. U is 1.2. And S1 is 1.2 square negative and by -20. If I check it, what answer coming? 1.2 square divided by 20, I get what? 0.072 meters. S1. So maximum height attained by the B, maximum height is 0.36 one time, 0.36 second time, and 0.072. So if I check it, 0.36. So my answer is finally is coming 0.792 meters. So I hope so. The concept is very clear. This was a little harder, but anyway, so this distance is already, because he asked me for the ground. Let me check. From floor. Okay, so that is why. So we need to find from here. There is already on a height of 0.36, one more travel and one extra travel due to inertia, and that's it. I hope so. The concept is very, very clear.